today's tutorial, I will show you how to reset the location of all comments with Kutools for Excel. When you have inserted multiple comments in the workbook, and you may probably drag the comments from one location to another, and now you want to reset the comments location back, you can use the Kutools for Excel's reset comment position feature to quickly reset them. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the More drop-down list and click the arrow in front of reset node position and select active sheet to reset comments position in the active sheet, or all sheets to reset all comments position in the whole workbook. I will click the active sheet option, and as you can see, the position of all comments are reset. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.